Hello traders, in this video we're going to be reviewing the Trend Pulse Pro EA for MT4 and MT5. This trend following system has been generating buzz and I'm excited to share my test results. So let's break down the claims, the strategy and what the backtest showed. But before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. All right, let's get into it. From the MQ5 page, as you can see here, Trend Pulse Pro EA is designed as a trend following tool that uses pulse signals, likely, likely based on momentum, price action, and trend confirmation indicators, to enter trades in the direction of the prevailing trend. It aims to capture sustained moves while avoiding choppy conditions through adaptive filters. The EA includes dynamic trade management, risk controls, and trailing stops or partial closes to lock in profits, making it accessible for most traders. The developer emphasizes consistency and the ability to work across multiple pairs with the proper settings, with the recommended markets being BTC/USD, ETH/USD, XAUSD, US 500, D30, HK50, and JP225. And the recommended time frames in the hourly and 4 hourly time frames. The developer claims it's perfect for busy traders, beginners looking for automation, and traders who prefer systematic trading. It says you can just attach the EA to a chart, configure your risk settings, and let the Trend Pulse Pro handle the rest. Alright. So the key features include the pulse speed entry logic, adaptive trend filters, dynamic lot sizing, trailing stop management, and risk percentage controls. Inputs allow customization of sensitivity, time filters, max fix, and pair selection. It appears to be user friendly with sensible defaults while offering flexibility for optimization. The EA is built to ride trends with protective exits and focuses on high quality setups rather than high trade frequency. Right, let's take a look at some of the developers' results. Right, so in this case, you can see the balance graph, how it's moves up, not really in a straight line up, but over time it keeps grinding up little by little, and then we have these sudden spikes in the mid range. And overall, it looks like good performance for the period which it was tested. And as for the stats, you can see a total net profit of 1 million $800, over 1,800,000 rather, and a profit factor of 1.72, where the balance drawdown was 8.03%. So let's compare this to my own personal back test and see how it actually holds up. You can see these results were for the period of 2021 to 2026, 5 years. So let's actually compare that. In my own testing, I put the EA through back test for a period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. I use one of the recommended symbols, the XAUSD, and one of the recommended time frames, the H1, and for an initial deposit of $10,000. The equity curve shows nice upward growth with several healthy pullbacks that recovered well. Deposit load indicates consistent trading without overexposure. As for the stats, there was a strong net profits of over $4,000, $4,077 to be precise, a profit factor of 1.58, recovery factor of 4.92, an excellent Sharpe ratio of 5.92. The equity drawdown was around 6.2%, while the balance drawdown was 5.61%. So this solid weeks adjusted performance, or this is solid weeks adjusted performance rather for a trend system. Compared to the developers' focus on pulsing with trends, the results are encouraging. Good profits during favorable periods with controlled drawdowns during corrections. The thing is, trend systems shine in strong directional markets but can have longer flats or drawdown periods in ranges. Honestly, the features that matter most are risk percentage, keep it conservative, proper pair and time frame selection, and letting the EA run without constant interference. The pulse logic seems effective based on this data. As for the nuances and hidden risks, trend following EAs can experience extended drawdowns during choppy or ranging markets. Live slippage, news events, and broker spreads can impact entries and exits. Forward testing is essential. In practice, combined with good market selection and patience. Who is this actually for? It's ideal for traders who believe in trend following and can handle occasional drawdown periods while waiting for big moves. It's great if you want a clean, momentum based automated system. Who should avoid it? You should probably avoid this one if you prefer high win rates, mean reversion, or scalping styles, dislike drawdowns, or want ultra frequent trading. Overall, the Trend Pulse Pro EA shows strong results in my tests with good growth and reasonable risks. It's a promising trend tool for demo testing with your broker. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to test next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description too. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.